so bad. Doesn't it look terrible? How do people paint it? Like 12 inch, I think it's a little bit better. I mean, all stress resolutions can be like they're all the same. There's no difference. There's no difference to the resins. They all feel the same.